How to fix download fail due to the network error, restart the game problem. So guys, watch this video and do not forget to subscribe channel. Okay, so let's start and begin. How can you fix this issue on PC or Android? So first of all, you just need to, if you have using PC, so you need to turn off your PC and then restart your PC. Also same process if you have using Android, you just need to the restart your device. When you restart device, then again open your game and you can see your problem fix in Avtara. So this is simple process, simple step. You just need to follow these steps and your problem will be 100% fixed. You need to just restart. Or second method is you just need to change your DNS in PC. Okay, so change your DNS in PC and then you can see your problem will be 100% fixed. There is nothing you need to do. Just check your connection, internet connection which was given you PC or also Android phone. You just need to check your internet connection, off your internet connection your PC and Android, and then again turn off and then open game. Your problem will be fixed here.